Here we go.
We getting paid, we getting paid, we getting paid, huh? Stacking that money from the trades, huh? I really do this, I really do this, I really trade.
Okay, so it'll be the same spot. You doing something different on that.
Yup.
Okay.
I really do this, I really do this, I really trade. Bro.
Oh, gotcha. Okay. The hypes.
We getting paid, huh? Stacking that money from the trades, huh? We getting paid, we getting paid, we getting paid, huh? Stacking that money.
Do it again.
The tone is off a little bit. Let me get that. I don't need no phone for that. Let me get that.
Yeah, feel that one.
Yeah, let me get that.
Like a pro, yeah, I'm trading like a pro, like a pro, taking profit like a pro, time to let them know, bank on the phone, no I don't need a loan, cause I'm trading like a pro. We getting paid, huh, stacking that money from the trades, huh, we getting paid, huh, stacking that money, I'ma teach you how to trade like a pro. What's up, y'all? This your boy Jay Wayne, you know, representing Team Take Profits. And today we represent trade and get paid as well. New shirt just came in, fire. Check out my Instagram, did a video talking about how it feels and everything about it. So check that out on my Instagram at Jay Take Profits and report all the people that scamming, acting like your boy. All right, get them out of here. So I know you here because you want to trade like a pro. You want to make some profits. You want to build wealth. You want to leave your 9-to-5 job. And I'm your boy for the job. I got everything you need to help you make that dream come true. And it used to be far-fetched, but it's not far-fetched to become a profitable forex trader. So that's why every Wednesday for a couple more weeks, I'm going to be releasing a new video on a Trade Like a Pro series. All right, right here on YouTube. I'm gonna be dropping it here on this channel every Wednesday, okay, every morning. So come back, set your notifications, subscribe so you don't miss it, because I'm definitely gonna help you guys become profitable traders. Now I'm about to lace you up with this simple but powerful strategy. I'm gonna teach you how to scalp like a pro in the forex market. Let's get it. So for all my people that want to scalp, this video is for you. Now you got to understand the mindset first. And I know you want to make the money. All right, I know you want to get the pips. I know you want them to pay the bills. All right, but first you got to get the mindset right. So with scalping, you got to understand that you're in and out. Scalping is not to go in as a mindset of a scalper and then switch mindsets and say, hey, I'm going to catch a runner today. I'm going to change this into a runner. Sometimes it would just flow like that. You got to naturally let that flow. But don't go in there because you think it's going good and then you want to hold the trade. All right, you did your analysis on a scalping time frame. Honestly, if you really want to become a great scalper, you should do top-down analysis with scalping. But some of you are not on that level yet. So I want you to get there, but I want to also create something to help you be profitable while you're transitioning to learning how to do the top-down analysis and include it with scalping. For that very reason, the risk to reward is not always going to be a 3-to-1 or, you know what I mean, a 2-to-1. It's not always going to be like that. Most of the time, it's going to be a 1-to-1. All right, it's just the way it is because you're on the lower time frames scalping and you're not giving yourself a lot of room for fluctuations and drawdowns and different things like that. That's why it's a 1-to-1. So understand that. So now that you understand that we're going to be taking, you know, short amounts of pips, about 15 pips. That's going to be plenty for scalping, in and out. The strategy has to be on point, and I'm about to give you the indicators and the settings right here on the screen as we head to the charts. So what you're going to need is 2 exponential moving averages. Thank God it's not a whole lot. Okay, I said simple but yet powerful. Now what we did was we went into indicators and typed in exponential. So it's going to be called moving average exponential. It's one of trading view indicators and it's called moving average exponential. And I'm gonna need you to type in the inputs as length as 3. That's the first one. The length is going to be 3. The source is going to be closed. That's all you need for that. And I have my style at white. So keep an eye on that white exponential moving average. Now you're going to need another one So you add 2 of those, and the input is going to be 6. So you're going to have moving averages of 3 and another exponential moving average of 6. And the source is closed. And the EMA color that I have for the 6 is yellow. So keep the eye on that when I go through the charts. And the last thing you're going to need an understanding on is market structure, or, you know, like support and resistance. Okay, you're going to need an understanding of that, because without that, you will be lost. Okay, so that's going to be like the foundation to this. And then we're going to add the moving averages on top of it, put it together in what I'm about to show you, and it's going to be powerful. And you're going to be consistent if you stick to the rules. All right, so we are on GBP AUD 15-minute chart, and this can work for the 5-minute as well. Okay, this can work on higher time frames, but this is for my scalpers. So we're on GBP AUD 15-minute chart. The first thing I want you to find is like your support or resistance. All right, that's the first thing. So I see one right here in the middle of the chart, and take a look right here. This would have been a support, right? Boom. Okay, so you found that. So now the thing, a lot of people know how to do that, but now how are we going to enter? That's the problem for most people. They don't know how to enter. They don't know the timing. So, you know, they get into drawdown, they enter too late, whatever. So I'm going to give you a little bit of help in giving you confidence to enter in on this. So let's add in to the 3 exponential, and let's add in the 6. So now you got a white and a yellow line. All right. So now this is resistance. You want, go ahead, for all my retest traders, go ahead and let price break through that. That resistance level that you see right here. Let price break through it. But then you're trying to capitalize on the retest, and a lot of people don't know how to get it. So the fact that the moving averages are already crossing up. The reason why I have it 3 and 6, because those are really tight. All right, a lot of people want it to be 8 exponential moving average, but the 6 and 3 surrounded, all right, those 6 and 3 moving averages surrounded by structure will get you an earlier entry than that 8. We only want to do this around structure. Now, for an example, take a look at this. Look at this little area right up in here. These are ones you don't want to get in because it's long gone past structure. Long gone. All right. You want to time it around structure. If it's not around structure, then it's probably going to be too late, and you're going to be buying up in a higher area. You don't want to do that. You want to buy low. Okay, you want to sell high. So when the moving averages are crossing up, when the white line, which is the 3, cross above the 6, around structure, around the resistance or the support levels, boom, now things are on your side. Now the risk to reward is a good risk to reward, like a 1-to-1 in that scenario. If it's long gone, it's too late. So you can see here, price comes back down and retests the resistance level. Now it's finding that resistance to be support now that they have broken out of it. Okay, well, now the moving averages are still above. Boom, next candle, take it. So the candle you would have took the buy on would have been this candle. This would have been the one that you bought on, because now that you see price rejected, that candle is printed. Take it. You got to go for it. Don't enter. The problem is people are entering up here. It's too late. That's way past the resistance level. So that's a whole 10 pips right there. There's a better way. There's a better way to enter. And you would have entered on the beginning of the next candle. So if we replay that, it would have looked something like this. As this candle was opening, boom, you would have got in right in the beginning of that and took that. All right, that's 9 pips. All right, that's what we're going for, between 10 and 15 pips. With scalping, if you don't take it serious, if you just jumping in the market and you like, yo, I only want 8 pips, I only want 10 pips. Well, guess what? If you don't do your homework or follow the rules, you only wanted 10 pips, don't seem as much, but you will enter in horribly, and then it would draw down on you. So now you negative 30 pips. All right. If you follow the rules, the momentum will be on your side to get the pips you need. Most of the time. I can't say 100%. Nobody can. But most of the time. Now, set your alerts, come and show up to the market on time over and over, and it become a numbers game. So now, what I just showed you work 75 to 80% of the time. You should come out profitable for the month. All right. And we're going to do some live trading with this. So subscribe, share this video, like this video, but definitely subscribe and turn the notifications on because we're going to be doing live trading. I'm going to be showing you for all my haters and naysayers. We're going to do this live. And I welcome all my haters to get on. But if you're talking reckless, you will be blocked. All right. So now the stop loss. All right. The stop loss is going to be right underneath the structure level. So we can just put that right here. And that will be the stop loss area. Right up in here. We gotta still put the stop loss at the structured levels below, okay? But that's gonna give you your 1-to-1. All right, and that's sometimes you will get more, depending on the more knowledge you have. You can hold the trade for more pips, but most of the time it's just gonna be a 1-to-1 because most of the time people that's trading what I'm showing you is gonna be a beginner. So I just want all my beginners to get the 1-to-1. All right, because I want you to compound your money. I want you to build your account up and your confidence. So let's look at a sell. All right, so rule number 1, I want you to find your support or resistance levels. Now, this is going to be a sell, so we want to find the resistance level. All right, where's price going to come back and retest? If you can wait for the retest, all right, it's only a 15-minute, 5-minute chart. It shouldn't take that long, okay? You need to be patient, though. Stop rushing, all right? Build your way up to catching breakouts, but I don't want you to get faked out, all right? So I need you to just wait for the retest, all right? If you can't be patient and wait for it, then you just need to stop trading because I'm trying to help you stay on the right side of the market, all right? Right side of the trade. The first thing I want you to do is find your potential resistance level, all right? So this area was support here, all right? And then that's what you got to mark up. So you want to mark up the support level because when price break out of it and come back, it will turn to resistance. It was once support, it broke out into a sell, came back and retest, and now it's resistance. So this is that level here. Okay. And what it looked like in real time was right up in here. You see prices sitting there for a while. Go on and let it break out. Go ahead and let it break out, okay? Now you have the retest. So what was support in this area is now retesting as resistance. So now throw on your moving averages. Now, a lot of people are not confident in taking the sell here. So wait for the moving averages to cross back down from the resistance level now. From this area, from this dotted line I have. Don't enter now if you don't have the skill set or the confidence to. I'm showing you, wait for these moving averages to cross back down. Okay? And you can do that on a 5-minute chart as well. Go to the 5-minute. All right, here we go. Now we're on a 5-minute. Now let's wait for them to come down to cross below, and then we sell. Right, so let's wait for it. Boom, there it is. That's the one you want. Right here is crossing. Take the next candle. We out of there. Take it for your goal. Take it for the 1-to-1. Where's the stop loss gonna go? Now that price is here, the stop loss is gonna go right above the structure level. And now you got a 15 pip stop loss right above this little structure level. We're on a 5-minute chart. You waited for the retest. Now it's showing that it couldn't break through. Now it's coming back down, and these moving averages are here to give you confidence and help you as like training wheels, which I used in the beginning. If you watch my old videos, training wheels back down. So now, all right, so this was the entry level down here, and we take profit at between 10 and 15 pips. So down here to the wick included 17.9. So you definitely cleared 12 to 15 pips. That's all you need. I want you to just stay confident in this. I want you to back test this. I showed you a buy and I showed you a sell. I don't think I need to run through and show you this 100 times. You have to do the work, okay? I already tested this. I wouldn't even brought this to you if it wasn't profitable. And I'm going to show you how profitable it is when I go live next week. Okay? Next week, we are going live to test this, and then we're going to keep making more Trade Like a Pro videos. But I want you to back test this over and over, a couple hundred times, buys and sells. So when we go live, you will be understanding what we're doing and you won't be lost. We'll just be ready to make some money. You feel me? So I want you to comment below, what is your favorite exponential moving average settings? All right, let me know. Let's have a dialogue about it in the comments below, because we all learn from each other. So I know a lot of you trade the London session. Well, I think that you need to understand the characteristics of those pairs, the GBP pairs, the Euro pairs, GBP AUD, JPY, USD, Euro AUD, Euro USD, right? You need to understand the characteristics or how they move during that session. So you know what? I made a video for you guys and I want you to watch it. Okay, I want you to watch that video because I talk about each of the main currency pairs and how they move. Should you scalp it? Should you not? Should you swing trade it? Should you not? In that video, I broke everything down for you and I want you to watch it. Click that video right over here in the corner, watch it, and I promise you, you won't regret it. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. And let's make this money, baby. Peace.